Hi, Anna. How are you?
Hi, Jake. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. I want to improve my English speaking skills. Any advice?
Sure. Try to speak English every day.
What should I talk about?
Talk about your daily activities, your likes, or your goals.
Okay. What else can help?
Listen to English songs or podcasts. It helps with understanding.
Should I read along?
Yes, that's a good idea. It will help you learn new words.
What about reading books?
Definitely. Start with simple books and stories.
And writing?
Write short paragraphs about your day or your thoughts.
I'll do that. Any more tips?
Find someone to practice speaking with. It's very helpful.
Great advice. Thanks, Anna.
You're welcome, Jake. Keep practicing and you'll get better.
I will. See you later, Anna.
See you, Jake.
Hi, David. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. I want to learn to speak English better. Do you have any tips?
Yes, I do. First, practice speaking every day.
That's a good idea. What should I talk about?
You can talk about anything. Talk about your day, your hobbies, or your plans.
Okay. What else can I do?
You can watch English movies or TV shows. Listen to how they speak.
That sounds fun. Should I use subtitles?
Yes, at first. Then try without subtitles.
Good tip. What about reading?
Yes, reading helps too. Read books, newspapers, or websites in English.
I will try that. How about writing?
Writing is good practice. Write a diary or send messages in English.
I will start a diary. Any other tips?
Find a friend to practice with. And speak English together.
That's a great idea. Thanks, David.
You're welcome, Emma. Keep practicing and you will get better.
I will. See you later, David.
See you, Emma.